Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm going to show you how to make an amazing strawberry chocolate cobbler, starting with these new Berry Big strawberries. They're absolutely gigantic, super sweet, and really easy to prepare. Slice off the end and then thickly slice them. We're going to add them to a bowl, set them aside, and then in a casserole dish, we want to add in some chunks of unsalted butter. We're next going to pour in those strawberries, add in some semi-sweet chocolate chips, set those to the side because it's time to make the batter. We're going to add in some all-purpose flour, sugar, a little bit of whole milk, yes, you can use 2%, some baking powder to help make it rise, and then give this a whisk until it is completely combined. And then at this point, we want to pour it right over the top of those strawberries and chocolate. Once it is in there, I'm going to add a little bit more chocolate chips just to make it extra chocolatey. It's going in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Once it's done, you can simply take out a nice scoop and eat it as is. But for me, I like to serve it up with some vanilla ice cream and some chocolate sauce. This is absolutely delicious. Enjoy making and eating this.